I've talked about this over and over again, but if you have an e-commerce brand, there's absolutely no reason why you shouldn't be able to produce content like this to use in your e-commerce's blog, right? This is brand tailored content with proper tables of content, featured images, in-article links to internal sources or to external sources, in-article videos about your products, about your services, in-article images, bullet out words, more internal and external links, and also tables and bullets whenever it's convenient. And of course, a call to action to your brands or to your products or services, right? This is something that you should be producing to your Shopify or Magento or whatever it is your CMS, but you should be adding SEO content to your brand's blog, right? Whether you're doing it manually or using a tool like Journalist AI or even ChatGPT, you should be leveraging AI, because I use this analogy often, right? If this is a ladder, right, and this is success right here, because the goal of SEO and ranking blog articles on Google is to get people to search for the keywords, find your article, read through it, they get accustomed to your brand, and eventually buy your products or services, right? But the issue with doing all this manually is that you have to figure out which keywords to target, right? What the content you're going to write should be about. Finding the images, finding the internal links, finding the external links, doing the videos, doing all this all manually until you reach the top, right? If you use a tool like ChatGPT, you're starting from up here because it does part of the work for you. However, if you're using a tool like Journalist AI, you jump all of this, right, and start from up here. Because Journalist gives you articles just like this, right? Properly tailored to your brand with in-article relevant images, relevant videos, internal links, external links, bullet words, all this. And you can simply click here, post to integration, and it will post to your Shopify store with one click, right? You can skim through all these ones, right, and post them one by one, or you can just go here and publish all to your integration. In this case, it will be publishing all 5 to my Shopify store, right? Now, if you want to do this automatically, just go here, set up an auto blog, new auto blog, and what this does essentially is you can set up the frequency at which articles are going to be posted out to your blog. You can do 60 every single month if you like, or you can do, most people do 10, actually most people do 5 every single week, right? 1 post a week, right? And just set this up, right? Integrate with your Shopify store just by going here, new integration, set it up here, WordPress, Shopify. I mean, you have all these ones. If you have your store in any other one of these CMSs, you can do so. But essentially, if you set this up, set up your auto blog, connect it with Journalist, right? With our AI right here. Connect this with your blog, right? This is your Shopify store blog. It's going to be producing every single day, week, month, however many articles you choose to produce, right? These are individual articles. And keep in mind that each one of these articles, right? If we expand on these articles, let's say this is an individual article, right? These will all be with featured images, a table of contents, right? Proper article structure, in-article images, in-article videos, internal links, like right, linking out to other articles you've written in the past or to other pages on your site, external links, right, linking out to authoritative sources in your niche. So for example, if this is an article about finance, it's going to link out to TechCrunch, Investopedia, Wikipedia, all these authoritative sources in the finance niche. It's also going to have tables when they make sense, bullets, and of course a call to action to your products or services, right? Each one of these individual articles will be like this, and this is going to be running on autopilot. So journalists will not only generate, but it also, that's a plus here, publish content on autopilot for you without you having to worry about a single thing. And if you want to go a step further, because if you're using ChatGPT, the content it's going to produce is generic, right? With journalists, it isn't at all. And we go a step even further because you can connect your brand right here. If you click brand, you can connect your brand, and journalists will learn as much as it can about your brand, right? It essentially will know as much as you do about your brand, right? So it's going to produce even more brand-tailored content in your brand's voice, using your brand's images, all this on autopilot for you while you focus on delivering orders, processing orders, all that. We will run your blog on 100% autopilot. It's pretty cool. I'll leave a link for this in the description. Tryjournalist.com. Let me know what you think. Try it out. And yeah, that's about it. I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.